Hello, I'm Mariana from Durban in South Africa. I'm busy with a series on how to make zipper pouches, but I combine now crocheting with fabric. You would ask, why zipper pouches? Because I've over the years experienced that it's an item that sells more readily at markets. It's a very good present, and whom of us do not want a few of these in our cupboard? Then here is now the one of which the video is already released. You will see it here appearing on the screen. As you can see, it has two beautiful squares at the front, Gothic squares by Jan Eaton, and then it has two lined pockets with zippers. There's the other one also, and because I've put on two tabs, this one can become a small handbag, and you can then just clip on an adjustable strap. It all started with the fabric at the back, where I just wanted to enhance the fabric a little bit with embroidery. I'm not an expert, but I can do the simplistic embroideries, and then I try to now match the squares with what I've seen at the back. I hope you enjoy it and look at my video, and hopefully you will find it worthwhile. Please subscribe to my channel if you like what you see and you can use it.